out into the harbor.
So we're in Schumacher, right beside Timmins. It's just for the news here, don't mind me. Can't really go that way till it's cleared. This way I didn't see all this snow.
How do I keep their stuff?
Ontario opened the year under an Arctic surge sweeping across Lake Huron and Georgian Bay, triggering fierce lake-effect snow squalls that intensified rapidly, dumping heavy snow while visibility collapsed without warning.
Well, this is Father Costello in the laneway by the Croatian Hall.
January 2nd, City of Timmins working on snow removal from the big storm we had on December 29th.
Cold air crossing comparatively warm water loaded the atmosphere with moisture, focusing narrow but powerful snow bands that repeatedly targeted snow belts, where accumulation rates overwhelmed plows and transformed travel into hazardous conditions. From communities lining Georgian Bay to inland corridors north of Buries, squalls locked in for hours, stacking snow faster than crews could clear pavement, while wind-driven flakes erased lane markings completely. Further west, counties facing Lake Huron dealt with repeated closures as drifting refilled cleared roads, forcing police and road crews to cycle equipment constantly while drivers encountered sudden whiteout walls without warning.
God bless them all. If you're out driving, please be respectful of the areas where they're removing snow and be safe.
Northern Ontario was not spared, as snow squall warnings around Sault Ste. Marie highlighted bursts of heavy snowfall and blowing snow capable of sharply reducing visibility within minutes along highways and streets. Forecasters consistently stressed that these events were dangerous because impacts arrived abruptly, allowing drivers to move from clear conditions into near-zero visibility before reactions or braking adjustments were possible for safety.
Well, good morning. It looked pretty, but I think I'm a little bit too tired.
Light, powdery snow combined with gusty winds meant that even freshly plowed routes quickly deteriorated again, creating deceptive conditions where progress appeared safe briefly before becoming treacherous moments later for unwary motorists.
It's called Snowmageddon.
Authorities urged people to avoid unnecessary travel, warning that closure points were established to prevent secondary crashes and to give emergency responders and snow crews room to operate safely during active squalls. Public updates emphasized that conditions could vary dramatically over short distances, with one stretch of highway clear while the next disappeared under a dense, fast-moving snow band, but causing sudden chaos.
city workers and the contractors they've employed to help them work and clean up the snow.
Municipalities responded by declaring significant weather events, acknowledging that standard winter maintenance timelines were unrealistic and that ongoing snowfall and wind would delay full road restoration efforts across affected communities region-wide today.
Doesn't look like much, but it's pretty thick. Good times.
Morning. The car was clear yesterday and driveway too.
Local governments also asked residents to cooperate by keeping vehicles off streets, avoiding snowbanks near catch basins, and allowing plows uninterrupted access as crews battled continuous accumulation through long, exhausting overnight shifts. Snow totals varied sharply, with hardest-hit snowbelts measuring extreme localized amounts, while nearby neighborhoods recorded far less, underscoring why lake effect events defy simple accumulation summaries used in conventional winter storms.